Hi, I'm Kathy. Welcome to Kathy's Corner. And honestly, it has been a while since I've done a Cricut video. So the other day I was in Dollar Tree. I was checking out, as a matter of fact, and something caught my eye. I found this beautiful cosmetic bag. And yes, I did an impulse buy. I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and purchase that. And it is just beautiful. So when I got it home, I was trying to think, what could I do with this bag? The idea struck me. This is what I carry my cosmetics in when I travel. It's just a Ziploc bag. And look at it. It's all tattered. It's a mess. But I tend to be on the thrifty side, and I don't want to put a whole lot of money into like a designer cosmetic case. So my wheels started spinning, and I am just like, I could put a monogram on this Dollar Tree bag and it would probably look great. So I wanted to show you what I did with my Cricut and this cosmetic bag from Dollar Tree. Let's get started. I knew I wanted a swirly monogram for this cosmetic case, so I searched on the internet and I found this design from moviedesignbundle.com. It was a free upload. I uploaded their Vine monogram alphabet, and I'll put that information in the description box. Next, I thought just with the colors of the cosmetic case, I thought a purple glitter vinyl would be good. So I cut out my monogram design on my Cricut, and when I set the settings for glitter vinyl, I always select more pressure. I weeded my design, and then I used strong grip transfer tape to attach it to the cosmetic case. And isn't that design just so glamorous? I love it. Okay, so now we have our vinyl onto our transfer tape. And just a little bit of advice here, just go slow, take your time. Sometimes it can be hard to get these sort of swirly letters onto the transfer tape, but just go slow, take your time, be patient, you'll get it on there. The other thing I'd like to recommend is when I'm using glitter vinyl, I personally like to use the stronger grip transfer tape. It's just a little bit easier to get that on. Okay, so now we're going to place our monogram onto the cosmetic bag. And what I've done is I've marked the center of my bag with just a little tiny pin dot there. And then I've also just folded over one way and then this way to mark the center of my monogram, and I'm just going to line them up so that everything is nice and centered, and then just stick it down. And then I'm just going to take my scraper and just burnish that onto the cosmetic kit very well. And next, it's going to be the moment of truth. We'll take this transfer tape off and see how this looks. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it. And there you have it. For $1.25, a piece of scrap vinyl and a little bit of time, you can make this gorgeous cosmetic case. And just think of the possibilities. These would make great gifts for Christmas, birthdays, Mother's Day, or how about for a bridesmaid's attendance as a wedding gift. This is wonderful. I hope you all go out to Dollar Tree, find these cases, and DIY them like I did. You can do it. And it's cheap. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. And remember, you can do this too. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.